We have a fair idea of the forces that keep us together, but we don't understand how it all fits together.
And so we're always curious as to how the universe began.
With more insight into the physics of the universe, it might unlock other answers.
We have to have the necessary understanding of what the real threats are, what the real opportunities are.
The SKA project, which will comprise 3,000 dish-shaped antennae spread over a square kilometre, the equivalent of 140 football fields, is a global scientific enterprise to build one of the largest scientific instruments ever envisaged.
This is a mega science project, which is probably the size of the project at CERN, the Large Hadron Collider. It's going to be the biggest ever built radio telescope in the world.
It's being designed to probe the edges of the universe and help scientists answer fundamental questions in astronomy, physics and cosmology, including the nature of dark energy and dark matter.
Our understanding is enhanced by our probing into the deep past.
The telescope will be about 50 to 100 times more sensitive than any other radio telescope on Earth, surpassing even the resolution of the Hubble Space Telescope.
If you look at the night sky tonight, you're actually seeing the stars many thousands or millions of years ago, because light takes a finite time to move from the star right to your eye, and that could be millions of years.
It is in this kind of investigative work, in this kind of a search for understanding things better, understanding where we come from, understanding the forces of nature, the forces of the universe, that allows us to advance as human beings on this planet Earth.
The total area of all the dishes is 1 square kilometre. The physical extent of the entire telescope is 3,000 kilometres. It will cost at least $2 billion.
The SKA is an international project, not a South African project. So whatever money we put into it will be a fraction of the total money that will be allocated to this very large project.
The SKA therefore represents an unrivaled opportunity for the development of very high-level skills and expertise in Africa.
It will transform, I think, the way in which the world perceives Africa.
So we need to build up our own expertise and our own young people to have expertise and know-how to form the basis for building new infrastructure, operating that infrastructure and building new industries on top of it.
It will also help us in making this transition into a knowledge-based economy, helping us with the skills that we need, helping us developing technologies that could be commercialized with the partners, and also making the socio-economic impact that we envisage.
SKA will allow Africa to be a significant contributor to the global knowledge economy.
It is the dark continent bringing light to the world, because light comes out of knowledge. And this Square Kilometre Array project offers us new insights into where it all began, the beginning of the universe.
And therefore, for us to be awarded the opportunity to host such a mega science project is important for South Africa and for developing world.